Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to remove text box border in Word document. So here you see I have a two text box. One is showing the border and one is not showing the border. So let's see how it's done. So here I'm going to first insert the text box. To insert text box, go to the insert tab. Okay. In text group, click on the text box option. Okay. Then click on the draw text box. Now just drag with the mouse and draw your text box. Same as again, go to the insert tab, click on text box, click on the draw text box, and again I draw here the second text box. Okay. Now just double click on it and just write your text. I just write here the text box. Okay. I just increase the size of font, select the text and just increase the size of this font. Same as I copy this word and double click on this text box and paste here. Now you can see the two text box with the border. Okay. Now in first text box I'm going to remove the border. Just click on it and you can see the border is selected. Now just simply right click on this border and click on the format shapes option. And here you can see the format shapes. In shape option, select the first option, fill and line. Then in line just click on this arrow, the option is showing here. Then click on the no line option and that's it. Just close this and click the here and you can see the line is not showing on the text box. So the text box border is removed. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.